37 trillion reasons. The video you're about to see has breakthrough nutritional information that will forever change the way you think about your health. Did you know that your body has over 37 trillion cells that make up your tissues, your muscles, and your organs? You heard that number right. Over 37 trillion cells that need to be kept nourished and strong if you want to live a long and healthy life. And a crucial factor for keeping your cells in tip-top condition, plenty of protein every single day. Protein is the primary building block for your entire body. But here's something you probably don't realize about protein. The typical forms of protein you might take, animal proteins, high protein supplements, or amino acids, are just not as effective as you might think. They're processed poorly and slowly by your body. This leaves your cells constantly starving for protein. And that